Samsung is once again making waves in the smartphone industry with its upcoming tri-foldable phone. After the somewhat predictable launches of the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25, tech enthusiasts are looking forward to something truly innovative. This new device could be the breakthrough that brings fresh excitement to the foldable phone market. Earlier this year, Samsung gave a subtle hint about this phone during its Galaxy Unpacked event. Among the new product reveals, a faint outline of a tri-foldable smartphone was spotted, fueling speculation that Samsung is finally ready to bring this concept to life. Now, more details are emerging, but it looks like this device will have a limited release at launch. According to industry insiders, the tri-foldable will only be available in select regions initially. Samsung has not confirmed which markets will get first, but this cautious approach makes sense. Foldable phones are still a niche product, and a tri-foldable model will likely come with a high price tag, limiting its appeal to a specific audience. Samsung is planning a small production run for the tri-foldable, similar to how it handled earlier foldable models. This strategy is likely based on the lessons learned from other high-end foldables, such as Huawei's Mate X-T, which was so expensive that it struggled to find a large customer base. By producing fewer units, Samsung can test the market without taking on unnecessary risks. That said, there is still hope for a wider release in the future. If the device performs well in the initial markets and sees strong demand, Samsung could expand availability to more regions. This is something we've seen before with other innovative devices, where companies first test the waters before going for a full-scale launch. One of the biggest concerns with foldable phones is the visible crease on the display. Unfortunately, early reports suggest that Samsung's tri-foldable will not bring a major improvement in this area. The crease is expected to be similar to what we see on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which might be a disappointment for those hoping for a seamless display. This challenge comes down to the complexity of the design. Unlike regular foldable phones that have a single hinge, a tri-foldable needs two hinges and multiple folding points. This makes it much harder to eliminate the crease while ensuring the phone remains durable and functional. While this is a step forward in design, a truly crease-free display might still be a few generations away. Despite this, Samsung is making some notable design improvements. The tri-foldable is expected to share structural upgrades with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. This means a stronger, more refined frame, addressing some durability concerns that previous foldable models faced. Samsung has been steadily enhancing its foldable technology, and its new device will likely benefit from those advancements. Another interesting detail is the placement of the cameras. Reports suggest that Samsung might position the cameras in the center of the phone, which could lead to a more balanced photography experience. This would be especially useful for content creators, video calls, and selfies, making the tri-foldable a versatile device for users who rely on their phone's camera features. Additionally, the phone is expected to feature the same ringed camera design as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While some users appreciate this design choice, others have criticized it, especially in the Galaxy S25 series, where the cameras seem like an afterthought. Hopefully, Samsung ensures that the camera design complements the premium look of the tri-foldable. For those who felt underwhelmed by the Galaxy S25, this tri-foldable might be the fresh innovation they've been waiting for. While the S25 series does bring performance improvements, it doesn't offer a groundbreaking change. A tri-foldable phone, on the other hand, is the kind of bold step that could set Samsung apart from its competitors. Are you excited about Samsung's tri-foldable phone? Do you think it's worth the high price, or will it remain a niche product? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest mobile tech. We'll keep you posted on everything related to Samsung's tri-foldable, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.